Let's see what's next in our Coffs Harbor adventure. Welcome to the Clog Barn. Papasok ka sa isang simpleng shop at samot-saring items ang iyong makikita mula pagkain hanggang souvenirs. As you walk along the aisle, sasalubungin ka ng maaliwalas na garden na kung saan makikita ang iba't ibang maliliit na bahay composing a miniature Dutch village. Talaga namang napaka-unique ng garden concept for one to have an experience of the Dutch culture. Sa tabi naman ay ang kanilang coffee shop serving various snacks for you to enjoy after mo ikutin ang garden. So this is Coffs Harbor's very own Clog Barn.